What's up, what's good, y'all? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And for today's video, I'm finally back with another protective style because I know you guys enjoy these, and my hair is finally long enough so I can get into some protective styling for all of my hair subscribers. If you're new to my channel, make sure you check out the hair videos playlist. It's all the hair videos I've ever done in that playlist, so make sure you check that out. It should be in the cards above. Also, today I will be using some of the products that I featured in my recent beauty supply haul. If you guys have not checked that out, you guys should definitely watch it. As you can see, I have in my AirPods, and I also have a video about me unboxing those and doing a little review. I absolutely love my AirPods. Make sure you're checking out that video too. So today we're going to be doing like 2 space buns, something. I don't know what it's going to be yet. I just want you guys to watch and see whatever I come up with. But your girl will be trying something different. I will be using track hair. And once again, this is repurposed hair. This hair was actually given to me, so I still didn't even buy it. You guys know how I am with weave and alternative hair. It takes me a while to buy some new ones. And since I'm on quarantine right now, I'm not going to the beauty supply store to get any hair because that is just not a necessity for me right now. So I'm going to try to create some space buns, maybe do some cute partying. I don't know yet, but we're going to be testing out some new products. I've never actually used this. Well, maybe I have used it before, but I haven't used it in a couple years. And it's the Eco Styling Coconut Oil Gel. I've had the Black Castor Oil one for so long, I forgot what any other Eco Styling product feels like, how it does. Of course, I have my Edge Booster. I have some moisturizer here, but I don't think I'll be using that. Yeah, pretty standard stuff. I have some rubber bands here also, and some bobby pins to attach to the tracks. These tracks are way darker than my hair, so hopefully that won't be a problem, but you guys know I will make it work. So let me show you guys what I have underneath here. My hair is freshly washed. I washed it today, and I also tried to get some of the color out of my hair, so let me know if it looks different. To me, it definitely looks different. It looks brown now instead of like purple. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's definitely a different color. It's definitely like a reddish brown. It's so weird, but I'm trying to see if I want to keep the straight part. I don't think so. So first I'm gonna just comb out my hair, and this is just blow dried hair, nothing special because I know I was gonna put some gel in it. So I think for my main parts I'm going to zigzag her. Okay, so kind of like that. I think it's cute. And the back, I'm going to just do it straight, basically, because I don't have time to try to zigzag my back. And like I said, my hair is still super short, so I'm not going to, like, aggravate it and try to put it up too high. So I think I'm going to stick to, like, low buns. My nose itches. Okay, so first let's decide on some positions, okay? Yeah, I think like right there. You know when you got to pose to see if you like the style? And I'm just putting it on this side. Let me get my brush, because I want this style to stay. And I'm also adding it to my nape. And this should be fairly quick. If I'm going slow, it's just because I'm slow. And I'm using a scrunchie. Okay, I think that's good. Let me try to do my edges on this side. Let's see. Okay, good. So let me do the other side. Oh, I think that's pretty even. Look at me doing something right. Okay, edges coming through. And I'm just getting right here by this part. Real cute. So as you can see, my edges are done. So now I'm going to take the scarf that I just had on and just set that while I'm doing the buns. Okay, so this is my first time actually doing this, so who knows? I spent a long time curling this hair. So we're gonna make this work. I guess you take a bobby pin. I'm guessing you put it in the top like that. Okay, these buns might be kind of big, but I'm not cutting it. So we're gonna make it work. And then I'm gonna take another bobby pin and just secure it. Okay, that's a vibe already. So now I'm gonna just do the other side before I make the bun. Track hair is not fun, but I wish I had some braiding hair and then I could have did a little extended ponytail. That might be coming next because I do have some braiding hair. What if this was the finished style? It's definitely a vibe. This is cute. I could leave it like this. Let me take this off and I'm gonna see. Let's see. Let me see if I look like a child. No, I don't look like a child. Wait. Let me go see if I'm feeling it and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, you guys. I just changed up the video. I changed up the name, what it is. It's gonna be multiple styles in one because this is definitely a look and this is a style, period. But I'm gonna show you guys the buns also because this is gonna be a 2-in-1. So let me get a thumbnail for this. Like I said, I'm gonna just do it real messy. So I'm basically just twisting and putting it up like this. Like that. Super cute. Party on this side, business on that side. This is so cute. I'm really shook because I did not expect this out of myself and I really like it, and it only took me like 20 minutes maybe, and most of the time I was just looking at myself. So as you can see, you can get 2 looks out of 1, and my hair is short and I still got it done. It's just so cute and it's so playful and it's perfect for quarantine. I could work out with my hair like this. It's the reason why I think of you, baby. Everywhere you move, when you look at me, got me in the mood. Alright, music in your ears while you're trying to record a video is kind of distracting, but it also helps me to talk more. So I think this is basically the end of this video. If you guys would like more protective styles from me, let me know because next week I will definitely do something else. Let me know what you guys want from me. Holla at me in the comments because I always holla back at you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.